Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add trusted device to our smart lock in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option and how to add new device. We need to go to settings, then lock screen, and here we have our smart lock menu. We need to unlock our phone, and to add a new trusted device we need to add trusted device here, then per new device. Come on, and let's look for our devices. As you can see, we have a few of them here. Let's try to connect one. Yes. And now, as you can see, we have our JBL speaker added as a trusted device to the smart lock function. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.